What's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. And today we actually have an unboxing, and the really different thing about this one is Treblab actually sent out this package. So, oh wow! So they actually sent this out, which was pretty sick. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this, these X5s right here, and some more details. So big shout out to Treblab. I definitely appreciate when companies want to support the channel. So make sure you guys stay locked in, and I'll see you right after this. Peace. Hey, what's going on, crew? It's your boy Serrano, and today we're going to take a look at the truly wireless earbuds by Treblab for the X5 version. Now, the X5 model has really good sound, and it has a portable charging box that actually comes included. And it also says that there are 3 foam tip sizes, as well as 3 silicone tip sizes, as well as 3 earphone sizes. So they also do include the charging earbuds case, along with a micro USB cable, and finally the 1-year warranty. So I definitely thought that was pretty cool, and they do feature some really good specs. So for the sound quality, you're getting the high-end Beryllium Drivers with a nice experience with 3-dimensional sound. You do get those hooks, which come in 3 different sizes, so you can customize them to the fit of and comfort of your own ear size. The X5s were made to stay in your ears and were specifically developed for functionality when it came to basically locking into your earlobe. I mean, like the hook of that part, but basically these things do have the wireless microphone and call, plus compatible with intelligent personal assistant, 12 hours playtime, 6 hours when you get the earbuds, plus another 6 with the included charging case. So these things did come with sweat-proof companion, basically meaning that you're going to get the IPX4 water certified resistance for when you're actually getting a nice good workout in, and you notice that these things are getting a little wet. So that comes in handy, and it's a really nice feature to have. You can also see that the matte black finish on the Treblab with the logo right on top, and you do get the polished black in the middle. Now you can see we are getting those 2 extra fins, which we can customize the Treblab earphones with. And you can see these foam tips. I gotta try these because they definitely feel pretty cool. So I never had like the foam ones, only the rubber tip. But you can see right here, you do get that micro USB cable. So when you charge it right here, you just plug it right in. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my power brick, and we're gonna go ahead and charge it to the brick. So you can see right here the light blinks at first twice really quickly, and then you get that simultaneous blinking with the 2 blue lights. Now let's just go ahead and take a look at the X5 from Treblab in a little bit more detail. So let's just go ahead and lift up the top, and you can see right here underneath the hood we do get left and right earphones for the X5 true wireless Bluetooth earbuds. You can see the magnetic feature right there for charging, also the volume up and down, and you can actually switch the songs on each earbud. So you can see right here the volume is going to be controlled by the right side exclusively, and the left side actually controls front and back when it comes to playing song and music. So you can end call with the right side, just hit the bottom one, and if you want to answer it, you actually hit the top one. And it's definitely pretty cool. You can see right here you get that LED for charging, just letting you know if there's more, how much charging juice is actually in the charging case. So you can see right here, this is definitely really cool with that matte black finish, really stealth, and the packaging is definitely pretty cool. So, I'm definitely gonna check these things out and give my honest opinion for the X5s that we did get from Treblab. So let me go ahead and take the left one and put the hook right in my ear and see how that fits. And it actually fits perfectly fine with the provided earbud and tip with hook inside of it. So we're gonna go ahead and try on the right earbud and see how that actually fits when I twist that in my ear. Let's just give a little shake test, and that actually was really locked in. These things are meant to stay in your ear, so that's the main feature about them. Plus, they do have that high-end Beryllium driver, the Beryllium driver. So we're gonna go ahead and connect these to my smart device, and you can see it does say the Treblab X5. Let's go ahead and pair that to the Bluetooth on my device. So that was definitely pretty sick that it connected really fast, and I didn't have any issues with connection or connecting to the Bluetooth. Just hold down the top button on each one and they power on individually. So you can see right here, you gotta power them on simultaneously, but I was getting some really decent sound when it came to the highs and mids when I was listening to music and controlling them with my right side on my earbud. You can see the test right here when you flick them, even if you hit it like kind of hard on the side, they definitely stay locked in, and it didn't even come out when I tried to push it out of my ear. But let's go ahead and take a look at some more of the quality right here. And I am using the microphone straight from the X5 drivers, so these are definitely going to be pretty cool. Tell me what you think about the sound quality coming from the Treblab X5s from the sound test. But this whole audio sequence was done with them, and you do get the option right here, as you can see on the left side, to go forward or back when you touch up or when you actually touch down. And then on the right side, you do get the ability to control the volume of the music when you're actually using it. So that was definitely pretty cool. You do get Google Assistant when you hold the top one for like 3 seconds, and that thing definitely powers on. So let's just go ahead and do a quick phone call test. It is only coming from the right one, which is really weird. But let me see right here. No sound on the left side. Only from
Can
the
I
right
have
side.
delivery to 9th Avenue? 3rd floor. 347 76. And can I have the chicken wing with the French fries? And can you put 1 Pepsi and 1 bottle of water? How much is that? And let me have a shrimp roll. Bye-bye.
Now, when it came to phone calls and talking with the X5s from Treblab, I didn't have any issues whatsoever. Now, one thing to note was I only was able to hear out of my right ear when it came to the X5 truly wireless Treblab earbuds. But when I did actually test out to see if there was any lag or video latency when it came to YouTube, I was actually pretty pleased to see that the lips matched up with the words perfectly fine. So if you're looking for a truly wireless earbud with really good sound in the highs, mids, and lows, also with a secure fit that stays into your ear with advanced noise isolation, with 3D sound quality, dimensional sound, and also 6 hours plus an additional 6 with the charging case, plus IPX4 certified for waterproof and sweaty workouts, you should definitely go ahead and check out the really modular, customizable with the 3 tips, 3 silicone tips, 3 foam, 3 fins. And make sure you guys stay locked in. It's your boy Serrano, but I appreciate every last one of you. Thank you, Treblab, for supporting the channel. And thank you, every last one of you, for checking this video out. I appreciate you, and check you guys later. Peace.